So imagine you have two types of garages for your car, okay? One where you own the space and everything inside, okay? And another where you just park your car, but the garage belongs to someone else. So that's exactly the difference between managed and external tables in Microsoft Fabric Lakehouse, okay? So let's start with the basics, okay? So in Fabric Lakehouse, a managed table means the Lakehouse owns both your tables data and the metadata. So think of it as parking in your own private garage. The lakehouse decides where to store the files, how to organize them, and cleans up when you drop the table. Okay, so on the other side we have external tables. So here fabric only keeps the metadata, but the data files leave outside, maybe in another folder in one lake, Azure Data Lake Gen 2, or even in a shortcut to another storage. So this is like renting a parking spot in someone else's building. You can park your car, but you don't control the whole carriage. So why the difference matters? So with a managed table, if you delete it, the underlying files are gone too, because Fabric owns it, right? So within an external table, deleting the table only drops the metadata. Your data files stay safe in their original location. So a quick example, let's take it. Okay, so let's say you're building a sales analytics solution. So for curated transformed data, you fully control. Okay, so use managed tables. So Fabric optimizes storage and the lifecycle. So for raw data coming from vendors, ADLS container via shortcut, you use external tables, so you don't duplicate or accidentally delete it. So the tip here is use managed tables when Fabric is the single source of truth for that data set, and external tables when you're integrating with a shared or read-only data sources. So definition wise, so managed table is like data plus metadata stored and controlled entirely by Fabric Lakehouse, and external table is metadata in Fabric. Data leaves elsewhere, referenced via some path or shortcut. So if you understand who owns the garage, you will never confuse managed and external tables again. Yeah, so stay tuned for more such data engineering content.